Hey everyone, thanks so much for joining me today for another quick and easy recipe. We're gonna be making Soutzoukakia, and these are Greek style meatballs, and they are so tender and delicious. They just melt in your mouth. They're in a very aromatic tomato sauce, and this recipe is just so easy and quick to put together. Let me show you how. Let's get started. I'm gonna be starting with the sauce for these Soutzoukakia Greek meatballs. It's very simple. It's a tomato sauce. I'm gonna be sauteing 1 chopped onion and some garlic in a saucepan with a bit of olive oil. Once the onions are translucent, I'm then gonna be adding 1 can of chopped tomatoes and seasoning them with some salt and pepper and a pinch of cinnamon. This sauce has a very pungent taste, which works perfectly well with those meatballs. Allow this to simmer on low while we start our Soutzoukakia. The first step is to soak some bread in a bit of wine. Use day-old rustic bread if you have it on hand, and I'm pouring about 1/4 cup of wine and allowing it to soak while we chop up the other ingredients. The meat mixture is so delicious and simple. I'm adding a chopped onion and 2 cloves of chopped garlic along with a handful of parsley. Add this to your mixing bowl with all of that wine-soaked bread. Squeeze out a bit of the excess wine and add 1 cracked egg to bind everything together. For the meat, I'm using about 1.5 pounds of ground beef, and don't forget that the full recipe is always listed down below in the description box. Season this with a bit of cumin for a nice smoky taste and a bit of salt and pepper. Mix everything up, and these will be very moist with that bread and all of those chopped onions. Once everything is fully incorporated in, I'm then going to be forming the meatballs into mini log shapes. Soutzoukakia is typically shaped like little sausages. Now this is the part when you can choose whether you want to cook these on the stovetop or bake them in the oven. Cook them so they're no longer pink on the inside, turning them to brown all sides. Once they're all done, I'm gonna then place them back into that tomato sauce, and your Soutzoukakia is ready to enjoy. This is typically eaten with some rice to soak up all of that delicious sauce, or even some French fries. If you guys enjoyed these meatballs, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, and stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes which are uploaded every other day. Thanks so much for watching.